It's been weeks since an 8-year-old girl was raped in a Hindu temple. Now, I'm not saying this. This is according to the police report that was released by the press. Every news channel, every newspaper has the same news. And according to the statistics, every 20 minutes, there's a girl raped somewhere. Now, only if that is true, you know what? Sooner or later, it's either going to be me or one of you. What I care about is whether I am safe in my own country or no. And I don't feel safe. I'm angry, I'm disgusted, and above all, I'm scared to live here. And I'm here today to ask Mumbai what they feel, because I'm sure they feel the same. And if they feel the same, then it's time for our authorities to know that this is not done. ये जो चलता है attitude ना इंडिया में, it's time to tell them अब नहीं चलेगा. First of all, tell me, as a girl, how safe do you feel in your country?
Well, I think it's different for different parts of the country. You know, like when I was staying in Lucknow as a child, I didn't feel very safe after even 7 p.m.
No, not at all. I do not think so.
इंडिया ऐसा नहीं है कि सेफ़ नहीं है, बस इंडिया में जो रह रहे हैं उनको ये नहीं पता कि उनको सेफ रखना कैसे है.
Ladies are not safe and for the last many years it is carrying on. और निर्भया के बाद में law change किया, बनाया, but it has not stopped anything.
I travel a lot for work, so I don't really feel safe when I'm going to a remote village or a smaller town, which is obviously Mumbai being the largest city. I don't feel really safe in India.
Definitely not as much as it should be. Like, based on the statistics that the UN issued, like approximately about every 27 minutes a woman is raped in this country, and hardly 5 to 6% of the rapes get reported. We've come to a point in this country where you get harassed for following the law instead of breaking it.
Obviously, the women in our country are not that safe.
No, I don't think so. No, not at all. I think Mumbai is way safer than other cities.
Our country, I don't feel safe. I am sorry to say that sometimes when I go out of India, I feel more safer there.
हाँ, बिल्कुल भी सेफ नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे कंट्री में कोई भी ऐसा सेफ वाला गवर्नमेंट ने बनाया ही नहीं है. बाहर कंट्री में कैसे होते हैं, जैसे रेप होता है तो तुरंत उन लोग को सज़ा मिलता है, लेकिन हमारे कंट्री में जेल में 2 दिन बंद करके निकाल देते हैं.
I don't feel safe at all because nowadays all the parents and everybody, they blame us that you shouldn't go out late, you shouldn't wear these things, you shouldn't do that. But I think it's the responsibility of the government to make everybody feel safe.
So, what according to you should be the punishment when it comes to rape?
I mean, they have life sentences and all, but I don't think those are adequate enough. You're going to need something harsher than that. You need to... They torture the victims, like what happened to Asifa. They torture the victim. That's really bad. They should be tortured in the same way so that they feel the pain. Until they don't feel it, they'll just take everything for granted.
They should be punished very badly and in public so that public gets scared of them, scared of doing anything like that.
Well, as a woman, I would definitely want death penalty for rapists.
एक बार चौराहे पे खड़ा करके कलम कर दिया जाएगा, बलात्कार खत्म हो जाएगा हिंदुस्तान से 100%. एक घंटे में खत्म. सिर्फ एक आदमी मरेगा बस, लेकिन सब समाप्त हो जाएगा.
They should just be hanged. There's no question about it. They should be hanged.
Time has come to at least set up a fast track court for these rape cases. You know, I think the verdict should come in 20-25 days maximum. You know, it shouldn't go in backlog.
They need to punish them to death.
Hang till death या ऐसा कुछ तो होना चाहिए.
So, do you have any message for the government or for the authorities of our country?
I mean, they should really step up their game. They're really not putting much effort into getting justice for all these victims. There's so many cases which are pending, which have not, the justice has not been given.
Well, the message I want to give to my government is that please be serious about what's happening. Don't get desensitized towards rapes because it's happening so often. Rape is something that is not, it's something that's not supposed to happen in a civilized democracy like India, right?
Government should take strict actions and obviously not spare anybody who commits such a crime.
Please do something about it. Even I have a sister. I want this country to be safe. I want the women to be safe here.
I think government is sleeping over it. They are not doing anything and they should awake and do something. It's high time now.
I think it's high time they need to wake up.
So, how should the law change?
They should come up with strict rules and regimes which should actually, there should be more cops available to like, so that the streets are safe.
The culprits need to feel that, you know, the country is strong enough to take an action against them.
So yeah, I mean, that's about it. People said what they had to say. People are angry, they obviously will be. But you know what, along with anger, we feel helpless. Because that's how much we can do. We can make a video, we can put it on social media, we can speak to people, we can go for a protest, candle march. But that's how much we can do. We can't do anything more than this. Yeah, we can, I think if together we take a stand, then maybe. But until and unless the government does something to protect the women of this country, I don't think we'll be safe. I really don't think we'll be safe. So yeah, if this video reaches the right person, and if you're listening right now, it's high time, man, because tomorrow it can be somebody from your family. Then what will you do? So if you don't want it to reach that, then it's better you do something right now. That's about it. I mean, you guys know what you have to do. I mean, that's about it.